Hello everyone, this is Subraj here and I'm from China's Line Telecom Company Limited. Many of you often ask me, brother, I don't know how to find clients. Okay, that's why today we're doing this video for all of you that I will show you in details that how can you find clients from LinkedIn, Twitter, Google, by also from Instagram and Telegram. You can see that I have Twitter open here, also I have LinkedIn, Instagram, and here I can show you how you can find clients by using this social media platform. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so first let me tell you, who is your potential clients, you might be wondering. First of all, anyone or any company can be your potential clients if they need SMS marketing service or email marketing service. So anyone, it could be anyone from anything from the small shops of your town, the giant multinational companies can be your potential clients. But I want to show you some shortlisted here. You can see that e-commerce websites, mobile app, real estate company or agent, right? Health insurance company, marketing agency, game company, loan company, educational institutions such as training centers, schools, colleges, and universities, or some other stuff like swimming pool, or this kind of training center like yoga center, and so on. Courier service company, gym, parlor, restaurants, salon, spa, and many others. Also call centers, affiliate marketing agencies, and there are actually more of it. So you can just talk to your clients and you see if they have any business. Let's say you see a company or maybe a shop, a big shop in your area, and they want to send SMS or they want to do this SMS marketing. Yes, this is your potential clients, right? Okay, so now we'll talk about how you can actually find clients. Let's say now you're gonna find real estate companies, right? So you're gonna find in Sweden or maybe in Germany, in India, in Philippines, doesn't matter. First you will write down real estate companies in Sweden. And then you can see that here, top commercial real estate companies in Sweden. And this website is very important and very good. I'll show you in a second. So this website name is Clutch, right? Clutch.co. So basically you can find almost all the companies here, but you can see that 16 firms we have found here from Sweden. So let's say this is the company you want to target to. Better target some small companies at the beginning. So maybe you can go and find here 2 to 9 people, retail and properties. Just click on it. Alright, so you can see that details. Or you also can just click on visit website directly. Or you can also see their number, see their address, right? So just visit their website. After you visit their website, definitely you'll find some information there. This is going to be easy to reach them out, right? So look at this very good and nice website I can see. Here you can see that LinkedIn, right? So you can click on LinkedIn and you'll reach out to them. You can see that see all 9 employees on LinkedIn. So just quickly go and see all 9 employees there. And just try to connect with one of them. Maybe, who is that? Let me just see this here. Student, a retail broker and retail properties. I'll try to find some marketing manager if they have one. Retail broker, content creator, production assistant. Alright, so okay, I want to just connect the first one. Okay, and then I will just, how do that? Just connect. After I connect, then I will wait. Okay, I'll wait until he accepts my connections. Alright, so after he accepts my connections, then I will try to start sending him messages. Okay, so this one I cannot send it, but let's go check another one. Founder of New Bird. Okay, I will just reach out to her, then connect to her. Others, connect, send it. Alright, so I already sent it, right? So I need to wait until she accepted my request. After she accepts my request, I will send her SMS. Okay, so this is the things you can find on, you can search the company and it will reach out to them. The next one, just go to LinkedIn and you just go to find some searching, right? So just go here, SMS marketing. Okay, so you just also can write bulk SMS
marketing, or all about both, whatever, write it down. You'll find so many groups here. Click on groups. You can see that all these groups, right? Many groups are here. So you'll click on the groups and see how many members do they have. Let's say these groups. And you can go, and I'm already added in this group, but you can just add yourself, and then you can see their post. You also keep posting. Do you want to promote your business at low price? Try SMS or email marketing. SMS OTP, SMS applications, marketing, blah 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 blah. So you'll just put your WhatsApp, Telegram, and this is how you'll keep posting every single day. And each group you post like 1 or 2 times a day. And definitely keep posting in more groups, and then people will reach out to you. This is one thing. Another thing, you go to Twitter directly. So right here, SMS marketing, right? And you'll find some people, they're talking about SMS marketing. Just go, if you can see, there is my post as well. And definitely don't forget to create a really good Twitter account, LinkedIn account. If I show you my LinkedIn account, it must be look professional. Okay, like I already clarified what you can get from me. Start your own SMS and email marketing business with us. Okay, this is my banner. My picture is really professional looking. That you can see I'm a content creator, marketing and sales, SMS and email marketing. Right. Next one, what I talk about business, lifestyle, sales growth. So you have to make your LinkedIn account very professional, make it look nice, keep posting, add your details, add your experience, and people will trust you. Okay. Next one, Facebook. All right. So Facebook, you can go and search like here, bulk SMS marketing. You can find many groups. Let's just get into this group. You can see that people are posting, even people are putting their numbers, talking. You just go and reach one of them and just add to them and ask them, do you need SMS marketing service, or would you have this and that? Okay, you also keep posting in the groups, like what do you have? Because on BUKA.com can actually provide you to the routes to more than 200 countries, right? So you can actually access you can actually get clients from around the world. Okay, first, second, third, Instagram I showed you. Here is Instagram. So Instagram here is SMS marketing. You type it, you can see that many posts. Just go to these hashtags, right? You can see many posts are here coming up. Just let's say creative folks here, a great business must have strong marketing. This is how you'll reach out to people, okay? And if you want to type like real estate, then you can just type real estate here. Type, if you want to type that loan, insurance company, type insurance companies, and then you'll reach out to those people. And one more thing, you also can watch some videos on YouTube. Just here, how to get clients from LinkedIn, right? So you can see watch some videos here, and you can develop yourself as well. Next one, digital marketing tutorial English. So you can just find some digital marketing tutorial in English in your country language. Okay, if you are from India, then Hindi, right? Bangladesh, Bengali. If you're from Saudi Arabian, like you can just Arabic language, you can just watch it and learn it more. Look at this one, 10 hours videos. Just go straight watch these videos. You can see that this video, you actually can learn a lot of things from this video. Okay, I will not play the video here. Next one, you also can get some free course. Let's say from Coursera, Google is offering a free course. What is that? Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate, and this one is for free. Okay, so you can get this course. If you want to get some advanced course, you also can pay for that, right? You can just go to Coursera or other platform, buy some courses, learn and how to do the digital marketing. Because if you're good at digital marketing, you can get your clients, right? Or social media marketing. Also, you can go for like social media marketing, right? Yeah. So you can go and find some social media marketing courses here. You can find some free courses. You can find some, paid courses. Go for it. Go for it, whatever you can afford, right? So pretty much like this, and don't forget this clutch.co. This website is very, very helpful. And also there is one more way, is Telegram. On Telegram, you also can find a lots of groups: SMS, bulk SMS reseller. Right here, actually, you can find so many people that keep posting. So go post every single day. Okay, every single day, try to post a lot of times. You actually can, find your targeted customers. So pretty much that's all for this video. It's just a short video to give you, really give you some kind of knowledge about this marketing. You will have some ideas, and you can use this and can apply this on your daily work, and also you can just level you up by getting some courses done. So yeah, I think this is so this is all about this video.
I believe that you found this video helpful. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.